Airbuds space tutorial. So here's Airbuds app. It's kind of like a social media for Spotify, where you see what you are listening, what your friends are listening to. And now they have a new feature launched like a few months ago called Space. So just go to your profile, tap in the bottom right, and under your name just tap Space, and this is welcome to your space, a place for your favorite music stuff. So here you can magically create your space. Basically, if you have enough of data synced from Spotify to Airbuds, then it will automatically create an overview of your favorite artists and songs. Or you can then just add it like that. So based, for example, you can then just add it here, then add more stuff, then add a song title. So you can choose a song and then just add to space. Then you can choose your theme. So now you just tap and hold and it starts jiggling again. So now you're choosing your theme. It's a bit glitchy, to be honest. So just select the theme, and then you can add more stuff in here. You can add an album title. It's automatically picked up from your already synced Spotify history. But yeah, if you don't have enough of it, you will still need to pick it manually, as I'm doing right now, showing you. So that's basically the idea. And then you just tap done, and that's it. So now you kind of added it like that. So now you edited it, and yeah, so that's the feature. And then everyone who goes to your profile will see your favorite artist, will see your favorite song, and they will be able to discover it. And that's basically the idea. Overall, pretty cool app where you can just see your synced stats from Spotify. Then you can also add your first status. So you can post your first status in here, or yeah, things like that. So yeah, for people who don't know, so here is how it's called. So it's called Airbuds, and there you have it. So Airbuds widget, as you can see, super popular app right now in the top 10 apps in music in iOS App Store. So quite cool. So yeah, there you have it.